Wyatt's here too. Oh my god, I'm gonna get to see both of them for the first time. So I got to see Wyatt first, and then you.
Des champignons farcis. Mama. Let's go see my mama.
No, not Dada, Mama.
Well, definitely get you.
Oh, you're gonna be full of Charlie here. You're gonna be full of Charlie here.
He's so handsome.
I am marrying a superwoman and I am so grateful for you. I love how we have grown our family over the years and I am looking forward to being the Renaults.
Blues Clues. You're gonna find the paw print.
Que les défis de la vie soient rencontrés avec courage et que votre relation grandisse avec amour et confiance. May the happiness you share today be with you always, and may every word you have pledged here be a living truth in your lives. Now, you've been waiting for this for 2 days. You may now seal all you have said and done here today with a kiss.
Final wedding day wish is for each of you to enjoy all the hard work we put into making this twinkle light heaven. It's only going to keep getting lit up as the night goes on. Remember, the drinks are on us and the dance moves are on you. So please raise a glass as we toast to love, laughter, and happily ever after.
Please welcome them to the dance floor. To the dance floor.
We want you to know how very proud we are of you as a person, a mother, and now the wife you are to become for Phil. One of Dad's proudest moments with you, and there have been many of them, as you can imagine, was when you started playing hockey at the young age of 10. And when I had the chance to help coach, and when I stepped on the ice for the very first time with your team, that moment sent chills up my spine, gave me goosebumps. The one other moment that has to be as big as that is probably today. Today marks a momentous occasion for Mom and I to have you marrying your sweetheart Phil. Your lives will keep unfolding, and the two of you will experience tons of proud moments throughout your lives.
I can honestly say that today I am definitely not losing a son, but I'm gaining a daughter. Ladies and gentlemen, please raise your glass with me now to Sam and Phil. May you live every day as if it were your last one, cherishing each other, supporting each other, and becoming each other's best friend more and more every day. Look back on this day fondly, for you will remember it as one of the happiest days of your life. Cheers.
Day, myself in time, just thinking of your face. God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared. I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never know if you never try to forgive your past and simply be mine. I dare you to let me be your one and only. Promise I'm worthy to hold in your arms. So come on and give me the chance to prove I'm the one who can walk that mile until the end starts.
Good?